it seems as though everybody and their brother is trying to do a digital marketing agency based upon all the books that are out there, based upon, all the crap, all the ads and crap, of like kids that look like they're, 15, like, videos of themselves in like some mansion, like throwing $100 bills all over the place. There's like so much of that. So it seems like a lot of people are attempting it to do it, but going through this up to this point, for me, just like earning potentially one client, and the only reason I got that one client was because of is because of you and Tim, right? There's no way that a large number of people are going to be successful in this unless they have this kind of system in place. And
you use the word that I want to get you to say. You said you used the word immersive.
Right.
Immersed.
You have to be, because otherwise, there's just so much, right? And now once the systems are in place, I'm sure it's a hell of a lot smoother, like anything else. But getting to that point is definitely not easy. Definitely not easy.
One of the things I can tell you is that you can go to school, study, and watch many videos and do everything you possibly can until you're actually in a live environment with anything in life, like anything in life. And there is no other thing out there that I know of that actually puts you in an immersive experience live. You are taking calls, you are on the phone, you're in closing situations, you're creating, merchant accounts, whatever, you're going through it. It's the actual immersion that you said, that immersion, which is what I want to catch.
Right.
The immersion is what the difference is. And
absolutely, yeah.
It's just that here's what I can tell you. Human beings, and I didn't even know this until I was taught it by, I was lucky enough that I had my 9th grade teacher. And she said what human beings are programmed is that you agree learn. Like at that moment when you're learning something, it clicks and it clicks and makes so much sense. You believe that you could never forget it. That like it's literally with you forever. But the fact of the matter is it's actually being immersed in it that actually gets you the experience. Look, I can tell you right now that you have doctors who go through all this school and stuff, yet they can't just go out and start right after they're done through school. They have to go through their residency. Mm-hmm. There's a reason that it's called a practice, a lawyer, all this different stuff. Like you can read all the friggin' tax rules you want. And so I don't believe that there's a program out there than what I've created is to put people inside an actual immersive experience. I mean, at the moment we were just doing this, you literally just got to witness what it's actually like to operate, to set up things. I mean, I think, did you say that something about putting out fires? I think maybe it was something I heard earlier today. It was something somebody said, but that I mean, I've used it myself where,
yeah,
it's, you're always going to have this stuff and you're putting out fires. Like, and so literally like I just added a new thing to my business, my system. And like, I have thought it out. I have mapped it out. Matter of fact, I'm working with this other place that does it for a living. I set up a call center.
Right.
I set up a call center. That's what they've been doing for 15 years. Yet, actually going through the process, we just identified something. And so there's just that value that it gets. So thank you so much for pointing that out. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.